What if I told you that you could completely change your life, your confidence, your mindset, your success? It all starts with the habits you build daily. Today, I'm sharing 9 life-changing habits that, if practiced daily, will help you create massive positive change and personal growth. You are what you repeatedly do. If you want to change your life, you don't need a complete overhaul. You just need the right habits. These 9 powerful habits will help you shift your mindset, boost productivity, and create the life you want. Let's get started. Habit 1, start your day with intention. Mornings set the tone for the day. Instead of grabbing your phone first thing, start with clarity. Take 5 minutes to set a clear goal for the day. Write down your top goal or simply breathe and think about what you want the day ahead to look like. Your actionable step each morning, write down one desire for that day. Habit number 2, move your body daily. Your body and mind are connected. Just 10 minutes of movement can boost energy, focus, and confidence. Whether it's stretching, walking, or a quick workout, just move every day. Habit 3, reprogram negative thinking. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly doubt yourself, you'll stay stuck. Reframe negative thoughts into empowering ones. Instead of "I can't do this," say "I can do this." Here's an exercise. Take a moment and write down one negative thought and flip it into a positive statement. Habit 4, practice daily gratitude. Gratitude shifts your energy instantly. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It trains your brain to focus on what you have instead of what you lack. My suggestion is to write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. It sets the tone for the day. Habit 5, prioritize your time wisely. Time is your most valuable asset. Successful people don't just go with the flow, they plan with purpose. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals. Here's what you can do: plan your top 3 priorities for the next day the evening before. Habit 6, nourish your mind daily. Growth isn't just about action, it's about learning. Read, listen to podcasts, or study something new every day to expand your mind. Here's an exercise: spend 15 minutes a day learning something. Habit 7, build confidence through small wins. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's created through small wins. Set micro goals and celebrate the progress. Each step forward reinforces self-trust. Do this exercise. Identify one small goal that you want to accomplish today and do it. Habit 8, create a nighttime reset routine. How you end your day matters just as much as how you start it. Unplug from all devices at least an hour before bedtime. Take some time to reflect and set yourself up for a restful night. Habit 9, take action even when you're not ready. Waiting for the perfect moment keeps you stuck. Success comes from taking action before you feel ready. Just start and adjust as you go. Here's an exercise you can do today. Do one thing today that pushes you out of your comfort zone. That is where your growth happens. Personal growth and positive change happens through the daily choices you make. If you commit to these 9 habits for 60 days, I promise you'll see a massive shift in your confidence, mindset, and success. Comment yes below if you're taking on this challenge. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Thank you so much for letting me share this information with you.